Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be really fun, or somewhat fun, to clean my entire depression room with you guys. I have recently been just going through some things and I feel like I definitely can tell when I'm like in a funk because my room starts to get disastrous, and so I hope you guys don't judge me. Please know that I've always dealt with this, like whenever I feel sad or like I feel like I'm in a funk, it gets out of control in my room or like my living space. I don't know why. I think I just feel comforted, weirdly enough, when I'm living in a mess and I can't get myself to clean it. But I just got home from seeing my family for 4th of July. I drove like 5 hours to go see them, and I just got home and put all my stuff down. So I thought it would be a good idea to finally get this room in order because I don't know, I feel like now it's just overwhelming me and I want to live in an organized, clean space. So I hope you guys don't judge how crazy it is. This is a really real, raw video of me showing you guys what being in a funk can look like, and I hope this inspires some of you guys who maybe are also going through something to, do something for yourself, whether that might be cleaning your room or doing some sort of self-care. This is also part of self-care for me, so yeah, that is what we are on to. I also want to declutter a bunch of stuff, so let's just go ahead and get this video started. It's a no makeup day because I have no time right now. This is what we're kind of working with. So there's a lot of decluttering. It's really bad. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm showing this on camera. This is so embarrassing, but whatever. We're gonna get this in order. I don't even know where I want to start, but yeah. So I think I want to start off by throwing out all of the trash in my room and just throwing away things that just need to be done. So have my trusty dusty garbage bag. I have this definitely needs to be in the trash. Just put the trash down, I guess. Also have old mac and cheese bowl. Okay, that's definitely not cute. I also need to clean out my little, what is that called? Like my snack bin area, because it's getting out of hand. This is kind of what I'm talking about. I have literally like empty snack things in here. I just need to like throw things out because it's literally just so ridiculous. I have my nail stuff in here. Part of this I'll probably do a time lapse of, so we'll start that right now.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.
So I got everything cleaned out. I'm gonna wipe it with some Clorox wipes. Also, did you guys know there's a sriracha shortage? Apparently they're like running out of chilies. So every place I go to, they won't give me a side of sriracha sauce, which makes me really sad. And it's also super hard to find sriracha sauce. So I'm cleaning these out. It's really dirty. I have not cleaned them out in a minute. Wiping out my baskets. Putting that in here. Maybe we should organize it before I, what do you call it? Put them in. This one is disgusting. literally so gross. But that's okay. Okay. So this one, I don't know what I want to put in this one. This one I normally use like that. I'm not sure. I think in this little one, we'll put our sauces. Here we go. Can't forget about hot sauce. I have all kinds of hot sauce.
Nothing is you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love.
Alright, you guys, I finished organizing the bottom. I'm really happy. This just has like snacks and food sort of stuff. And then this has like sauces and little bars and stuff. And then this one has makeup, and that one is all of my medicine and Ziplocs and stuff. This one is still pretty empty. I have more snacks in my car that I need to unload, so that is what this one will be for. I just put this stuff in here now because I didn't know where else to put it. Here I have my nail stuff and just like miscellaneous beauty products. And now we're gonna work on this disaster. I have a lot of decluttering to do. Okay, so it doesn't look terrible, but we could definitely declutter some stuff. I don't need all of this stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me just set this tripod down. I'm gonna wipe this mirror probably and just sort of start tackling everything here. I don't need all of this makeup. So I think the brushes, I'll keep all of the brushes because I actually do use all of these brushes. I should probably throw that away. My old insurance card. But most of this stuff I just don't need or use. So I'll probably put some of them in a donate pile and some of them in a, like a, what is it called? Throwaway pile, because some of these things are really expired.
There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easy.
Here is my vanity. I still need to wipe that mirror. I'll do that afterwards, but it looks amazing. 1,000 times better. Now, I think we will tackle this situation. I just have not been able to organize it, so that is what we'll get to next.
It's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in
I'm gonna light a candle because the room is almost complete. I'm gonna light, this is Sun Washed Citrus. Why isn't this working? Oh, here we go. Probably should have trimmed my wigs, but it's all good. I'm also gonna burn this one. Oh yeah, definitely should have trimmed my wicks. Beautiful. We are literally pretty much done. It's not perfect, but it is so much better. I think I'm gonna do a hygiene, like, organization video as well, because this is another thing to tackle along with my clothes. So those in itself will be 2 other videos. I just mainly wanted to get like a lot of decluttering within like my drawers and stuff done, so that needs to be organized. I'm washing my, what is that called? My blanket right now. I still need to do the sheets though. This looks so much better. I know it might not look amazing, however this looks so much better. Also, don't mind the fact that I have watermelon here. My sweet landlady brought that to me while I was mid-cleaning, but it looks so much better. I cleaned my mirrors. I'm so happy. And here is this section, which used to be super cluttered with just like random stuff that I didn't even know why I was keeping. Also, that is just like my little trash bag. If I have any other trash left, I'm gonna just throw it away in there. I mopped and I also swept, and yeah, I'm super happy. This is already making me feel so much better. Overall, I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming along with me with cleaning this disastrous room. It has gotten really bad and I've always struggled with keeping my room clean. I don't think I'm dirty, but I would say that I'm very messy. So just having things decluttered is already making me feel so much better. Like, it just feels like you have less in your room. And I'm not a minimalist type of person. Clearly, if you can see my hygiene collection, you guys can see I'm definitely not a minimalist by any means. My sister must have gotten all those traits. I did not, but I just wanted to make this video and like sit here and talk with you guys, because this is something that I genuinely struggle with, and that is something that I feel very vulnerable talking about because it's embarrassing, and I don't know, just living in a mess in some way makes me feel very safe and very, like, just safe is the word I can think of. I feel very safe. I feel very like okay, but at the same time it is still overwhelming me, if that makes sense. So I feel very comfortable in a messy room. However, I do feel extremely overwhelmed, and it's like it just gets worse and worse and worse till the point of like I genuinely am like, I can't even clean this thing because there's just so much. Like, where do I even start? I had to take a mini break when I was cleaning this section right here because I was just feeling so overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that I had, and I'm really excited. I want to continue this journey with my hygiene collection and my closet as well, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. I know a lot of you guys probably want to see the hygiene collection here, so I definitely will do that. But I hope this video inspires some of you guys to get up and clean a little portion of your room. You don't have to do it all in one day. I'm just an all or nothing type of person, and it is still by no means spotless. However, it is a lot better than what it was, and I think it's important to give yourself grace in any situation in life. I think that's really important. So I hope that you guys will send me some positive comments. Hopefully nobody's gonna judge me. I'm really scared that people are. I know that people will. However, that's okay. If this helps one of you guys out, I really hope that it does. I'm basically just rambling here, but I'm gonna enjoy my beautiful watermelon. Look how good this looks. The lighting is perfect today, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.